Hello guys, welcome back to my channel guys. So for today's video guys, magre-react tayo ng BINI Chapter 1 Born to Win guys, teaser. So let's watch it guys, kung what BINI is bringing us in this teaser. So let's go guys, watch tayo dito guys. Kasi parang na-hype ako dito sa video nila, sa teaser nila guys. So, let's go.
Hey, hindi na natin alam kung kailan ulit masayang experience, pero nakakapagod pero mabilis ang
wow.
experience na to. Yeah, hey! 5, 6, let's go big!
Wow. The Nation Girl Group. Wow. Oh. Wow. Saan kaya to guys? Na ano na ba to? Oh. Wow. Chapter 1. Okay.
NFT! Are you ready?
Yes, we are ready guys. Oh man.
Now every step we take, we break. There's something we do. We make it hard to see, just appear to me.
Oh. What did she say? Oh, si Maloy. What happened to Maloy guys? Parang oh. Parang she's looking ghost. Oh. Is she afraid something? Oh my god. Oh, there's so many people. Maybe they are overwhelmed guys. Siguro hindi nila akalaing maraming dadalo sa concert nila guys. So
segment which is Born to Win.
Overwhelmed talaga yan.
Pag nothing can hold you back, but at the end, sometimes you need each other. Oh. That's it guys. Okay, so panabitin ako Ang ganda ng ano nila guys, yung teaser nila. The way they made it, like napaka-thrilling at saka ano, basta yung cinematic na effect, parang maiinganyo ka talaga guys na abangan tong ano nila. Born to Win na teaser nila guys. Kasi the way the effects, the way they put the video, the cutting, the clips. Oh. See?
Now
Nakaka-hype yung ano nila guys, editing ng video guys.
we make it hard to see.
Oh, si Mika. Gusto kong makita si Mika guys, na because I'm a fan of Paramore. Gusto ko siyang kakanta ng Paramore song guys. Gusto ko yung Decode ng Paramore. Agree ba kayo dyan guys? Kasi basta gusto ko siya makita na mag-cover ng song ng Paramore. Yung akin lang, sa akin lang. Kasi parang bagay siya dito eh. The way she look. Yung hair, parang si, ano. So, let's go. What happened, Joanna? Oh, si Aya. Overwhelmed si Aya, guys. Oh, the leader's comforting her.
The segment which is Born to Win, it tells a story about you're a winner.
Yeah.
Nothing can hold you back, but at the end, sometimes you need each other.
As you know guys, grabe yung bini ngayon guys. Para silang bagyo guys. Rumaragasa guys. Hindi lang sa Pilipinas guys, basta hindi lang sa nauutal ako. I like that. Hindi lang sa Pilipinas guys, pati sa international scene guys. Para silang bagyo guys, rumaragasa. So congrats to Bini guys. Keep going girls. Keep dreaming. Nakukuha nyo na yung goals siguro nyo, pero dapat aangat pa kayo guys. Dapat ibigay pa nyo yung hindi ina-expect ng mga fans natin ng Blooms. So I know kaya nila to guys. So let's wait. Marami pa silang pasabog guys. I knew it. Wow, ang bongga. Okay. Okay. So, abangan na lang natin guys yung full video dito sa nila, Born to Win. Thank you for watching guys. See you in the next video. Sana nagustuhan nyo guys. Kahit bulol na bulol ako dito kasi di talaga ako kasanay mag video ng naka face to face guys sa camera. So, pasensya na guys. And please subscribe and like my video. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.